Hey, what's up? This is Matt from GoTherics, and we're going to go over a side clam. So I'm going to perform the side clam today without a band. You can always put a band around your knees for this, but that would be a banded side clam, which would be in a separate video. Anyway, here is the side clam. So this exercise is one of my favorites to give to clients because the first time they see it, it looks really hard, but your body's actually really strong in this position. So we're working on holding a side plank, which is the side part of it, and then we're doing a clam, which is the opening of the legs just at the same time. So we put the hand on the hip, we push through that knee and through this shoulder into this position, and then back down again. Pushing up into that position, again, pushing down through this leg, pushing and bracing through that shoulder, and pulling the other one up while not rotating back, just opening like an accordion towards the ceiling with each one in a controlled fashion. You can also hold these, but generally we do them for reps. Thanks.